welcome back to Maths Online class. Only 2-3 kind and varieties of the questions are remained. So this is going to be my last lecture for this particular chapter. See here, what is the requirement? This is the question number 11. Okay, solve by using the proper identity. Okay, I am not going to repeat the question, you may understand. So solve by using the proper identity. You can see what is the question: 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. So again, one more last identity we have to remember. This is the identity: x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z inside one bracket, inside the another bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. First time you are looking at, so it is going to be very much typical and lengthy formula for you. But after one time use, second time use, these things are going to be very much easier. Okay, slowly the things will be digestible also, no problem is there. Right now you see how to solve such particular question. Look here, actually this is the identity. So this particular identity we have to use here. See how. First we have to convert the question in form of this particular format. So this 27x cube, it may be written as 3x whole cube. Is it okay? Yes, because 3 cube 27. After that y cube, it is same, y cube plus z cube, it is same, z cube, and this minus 9xyz, it may be also written as 3 into, what is the x here? 3x actually. So 3x into y. What is the y here? Y. Z. What is the z here actually? Z is z. No problem. So right now if you will solve this, so again you will get the question. Only I have just converted the form of question in form of my identity, because until unless the question will not come in form of the identity, so how we will go for the expansion of it? So first we are going to represent that actually the format of the question, it is coming in form of the identity. Right now you can compare what is there in place of x, 3x, what is there in place of y, y, what is there in place of z, z. So right now this is again coming in form of this particular form: x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, wherever x is 3x, y is y, z is z. So this is the expansion of the question. So this we have to find out. So this can be also written as, because this can be written as in this form, so this can be written as x plus y plus z. So nothing we have to do, just we have to see this particular thing and only we will fill the values of x, y and z. So what is there in place of x? 3x plus y plus z. Only I am just filling the values of x, y, z in this particular expansion, because this particular question is there in form of this. And after that x square, so we will take the help of big bracket. What is there in place of x? 3x whole square, okay, plus y square, it is again y square, plus z square, it is again z square, and after that minus xy. So what is there in place of x? Actually 3x is there, so 3x into y, minus yz, so yz is same, y into z, minus zx, it is also same, z into x. But what is there in place of x? Actually 3x is there, so nothing else. This is the big bracket, and after that the answer is going to come 3x plus y plus z inside the one bracket, and after that this you will give you 3x whole square means 9x square plus y square plus z square, same thing, minus 3x into y means minus 3xy, minus y into z means yz, minus z into 3x means 3xz. So this is going to be your answer, nothing else. Again, only you should learn this particular identity: x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z inside one bracket, and what is there on the another bracket? X square plus y square plus z square minus 2xy, sorry, minus xy minus yz and minus zx. So this was the solution. See the another question which I am going to solve in front of you. Look here. Okay, once you are going to be habitual by it, after that you may solve so many questions also. Right now see the another question, question number 12. This is the verify kind of question. Verify. Some different question you can see, little lengthy question. This is the x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Same format is there, but we have to prove this is also equal to 1 upon 2 x plus y plus z. Okay, and after that what is there inside the another bracket? X minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. This is the thing that we have to prove. Right now see how we have to prove. Be very much careful because things are not that much easy right now. Look here, because the things are given in the left hand side, we have to concentrate first. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. We are knowing the identity. We know that. Look here, we know that. What we know that? We know that this x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Actually, it is equal to what? Right now we have seen that it is equal to x plus y plus z inside the one bracket, and x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Is it okay or not? I think is it okay. Right now see from where what we will do. Right now this thing I am not going to write down because left hand side will be same. This is the right hand side and this particular thing I am going to solve in front of you. And this form we have to represent in this form. Then only we can say this particular, it is going to be verified. Right now see what has been done. First what we will do, because there is 1 upon 2. So what we will do, we will just divide by 1 upon 2 and multiply by 1 upon 2. We have to, what will be the first step? We are just dividing and into by 2. So 2 upon 2. So that 1 upon 2 it is written, that I have taken outside because according to the format of the question. And whatever the things that we have to multiply with the 2 also, because when we are dividing by 2, so definitely we have to multiply by 2 also. So that 2 I am taking here. So it will become 2x square, it will become 2y square, it will become 2z square, because 2 will be multiplied with each and every term. This will become minus 2xy, this will become minus 2yz, and this will become minus 2zx. Is it okay? Yes. Minus 2zx. And after that what I will do, that 1 upon 2 x plus y plus z. Actually this is coming in the form which we have to prove actually. So this we will leave. And this particular thing we are going to solve right now. See here, actually this particular thing it can be written as 2x square. Right now see what we have to prove, x minus y whole square. What is x minus y whole square? X square plus y square. So what is this particular form we are going to write down? According to the question we are going to solve. What is x minus y whole square? X square plus y square minus 2xy. Okay. So and after that what is y plus z whole square? Y square plus z square minus 2yz. Okay. And what is z minus x whole square? Z square plus x square minus 2zx. That I have written according to this particular form. Right now see, from here 2x square is there. Actually what was there? 2x square. But either actually what I have done, I have distributed the 2x square in form of, look here, x square and another x square will be there here. X square plus x square, again if you are adding that, so again you will get the 2x square. 2y square is there, so you can see y square I have written 2 times. 2z square is there, so I have written z square 2 times. After that minus 2xy, I am doing this with the x plus y. Then only I can write down in form of x minus y whole square. I think you are able to understand. Okay, means whatever the things which I was getting here inside the bracket, उसको मैंने बस डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया है अकॉर्डिंग टू द फॉर्मेट विच वी हैव टू प्रूव. जो अपने को प्रूव करना है उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से उसको बनाया गया. x minus y whole square लाना है, तो what is the x minus y whole square? Actually x square plus y square minus 2xy. And when I am going to write down this, and after that I am just rechecking from the previous term, so it is going to be same. आप इसको ऐड करके देखेंगे तो यही चीज फिर से मिलने वाली है. Meaning is that right now this can be written as, look here, right now x square plus y square minus 2xy. This can be written as x minus y whole square. This can be written as y minus z whole square, and this can be written as z minus x whole square. And actually this was the requirement of the question, so from here we can write down as proved. Actually what we have done nothing. What was the actual format of the question? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. This is the expansion of it. Okay. After that, what we are seeing, we are looking that here 1 upon 2 is coming. So actually we are dividing the equation by the 2 also and multiplying by the 2 also. That we can do because 2 and 2 going to be cancelled. Again it will give me 1. So 1 upon 2 I have taken common, so 2 will be also multiplied with each and every term, and that 2 I am taking, either I can take outside, either I can take inside, but here I am taking inside because their requirement is according to the requirement of the question. So it will become 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square, means in each and every term we have to multiply by 2. And after that, according to the requirement of the question, what is the expansion of x minus y whole square? Actually x square plus y square minus 2xy, that I have written for each and everything. And after that it can be coming in such format, and that you can check from the previous terms also. X square plus x square, it is representing 2x square. Y square plus y square, 2 times coming. Z square plus z square, 2 times coming. So same thing, whatever the format is there, it is just represented in the different form. Right now see the last question which I am going to solve in front of you, 13. And after that this whole chapter it is going to be finished. So look, what is the question number last 13? If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then actually x cube plus y cube plus z cube, it is directly equal to 3xyz. Prove that. So it is a very easier question that you can understand what is the solution. I am going to write down in front of you. What is written in front of me? What is there in front of me? Actually it is June, okay? This is not May. 27 June, okay? That you can understand. Right now see, actually this we have to prove, but what is the identity in front of us? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. What is the expansion of this? This is the expansion, x plus y plus z inside one bracket, and here x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz. Here I am going to write down minus zx. This is the actual expansion of this, and right now what is given to us? X plus y plus z is equal to 0. So given x plus y plus z is equal to 0, and that particular value we are going to fill here. So see here, x cube plus y cube plus z cube, minus 3xyz. It can be written as, right now I am going to fill the value of x plus y plus z is equal to 0. So if it is 0, so 0 into that particular term, that I am not going to write down here, that you can understand. And if we are multiplying 0 with that particular term, so whole what we are getting in the next term, we will get the right hand side as a 0. Right now see, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. And from here you can understand x cube plus y cube plus z cube, it can be written as that 3xyz, it will be transferred there, so it will be converted into the positive sign, and that was the requirement of the question. So from here I will write down as proved. So it was the very easier kind of problem, and some of the question also may be given to you in such particular form, so that you can solve. Okay, so here I am going to finish my lecture. Finally, all the best to you. Actually I have solved different varieties of the question. For that particular chapter, I think I have made 14 videos, 14 parts are there. So that you have to see and understand. Try best for you, solve different kind of category questions and learn all kind of the identities well. Thank you so much.